Oh, there it is. That's it.
That is okay.
Oh, do you see that? That's good.
Whoa.
See that, you guys? That is so cool.
Is that the tornado?
Yep, that's it, Haley.
That's
a funnel.
That's the cloud.
That's it, right there. See it?
That is gonna
See it coming down?
It's coming down.
Yeah, it is.
Then let's get downstairs.
We're okay. It's going to hit right over that tree. See it, Dad? Now, do you see it?
Mommy.
See it? See it? That is it.
Let's get downstairs.
Oh, that was so good. Do you see it?
Mom, let's get downstairs. I don't care about no stupid thing on the camera. Get downstairs. I ain't gonna be no homeless child. Going to no foster home. Now, come on. And let's get in the basement. Mom! More basement. Is it rotating? Mom, is it rotating?
No.
Go downstairs. Mom and Dad is called Singing Tornado. You know that ain't behind us. Roof up our house.
It was not true.
Let's get inside. Dad, have a little one.
I don't want to about this.
Neither do I. Mom's right in the basket. Mom's in the middle. She is.